Hey guys! In today's video, I'm going to be sharing a quick tip for you. Friends, if you bought a new phone or reset your phone, full data, you will face internet connection issue. Sometime the internet data is on, but the internet data connection is not working. So if you are facing this issue, I am sharing a quick tips for you how to fix this problem. Guys, to fix any type of internet data connection problem in your Samsung Galaxy phone. So first you go to your phone settings. Once you're in here, then go to connection. When you're in here, then you go into mobile networks. And then click on access point names. Now if you are using 2 SIM cards in your phone, then select the SIM on which you want to use internet data. Now click on the 3 dots on the top right corner and click on Reset to Default. And now click on Reset. That will reset your phone internet connection. Now if the connection is not checking, click on it to active. So that was just a quick video on how to reset your network settings and fix any potential problems. Any questions, comments or concerns, or any tips you guys have, drop them down below in comment section. And let me know. For now, guys, have a fantastic day. Alright, so if you found this video useful, make sure to subscribe to Pashto for us by clicking on the subscribe button, and also click that bell icon on the side to make sure you get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you do use Twitter, Instagram or Facebook, you can follow me at Pashto for us to get the latest updates as well. Alright, have a fantastic day. Thanks for watching.